Hello everyone, my name is Tina. Whether your quarantine dance is like this couple, ouch, that hurts, or you are solo dancing like her, life may not always be the party we hoped for. But while we are here, we might as well dance. In this video, I show you how to make magical marker dance. You will need a white plate or any flat surface, dry erase marker, and lukewarm water. Draw a stick figure image. Here I have a girl chasing a boy with a heart balloon. You can join their hands together and it will look like they are dancing together. After you've drawn your image, let it dry. Now, gently drop in water around the stick figure. You will notice the dry ink lifting off with the water. Here, the boy's balloon has detached. If you would like the boy to dance with the balloon, the drying of the balloon string and the boy's hands should be joined together while you were drawing it. Gently blow on the water or move the plate like I did. The stick figures are starting to move. As you can see, you have to drop water gently around the stick figures and the ink should lift off. Give it a gentle shake. We are almost there. But there are parts of the body of the boy's stick image that is still stuck to the plate. So here I am struggling a little bit. It is still not lifting off the plate. Maybe just a couple more drops is needed and it should lift off. Here you go. The ink of the boy's stick figure is now completely lifted off the plate. Wasn't that so simple to do? You can try adding some color, watercolor and glitter to the water as well. It will look beautiful. If you found value in this video, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more quick and easy DIYs I upload every Mondays. Be sure to watch this video on how to make very cool and easy secret spy messages using water. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching. Be well.